Alright, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Today on Your Average Roofer, I'll be showing you guys how to cap a hip by yourself. The reason I say by yourself is because obviously you have to chalk a line to get a nice straight cut, a straight edge. So to do that, what you do is you're going to take your cap, find your center point. Most of them have a cut in them. You're going to line that up on your ridge, kind of pointed straight towards the bottom there, and you're going to mark the edge of that. And then I'm also going to mark this one here while I'm already here. Always making sure your nail is going to be somewhere where it's going to be covered by cap later. That one went really far in. Alright, now that you got that set, you're just going to take your chalk line, take your cap with you. Line your cap up in the middle down here. Pull your chalk line tight. And there you go. Not very visible, but I can see it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. But we got a nice straight line here. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Straight line. I know I'm gonna get flack for mud on the roof, but it's super muddy job site. Nothing I can do about it. Then you're gonna take a pile of cap down to your bottom. So your very first one here, you want to overhang it about a knuckles width from that corner. And you're just going to kind of put this where the corner breaks here. You're going to go just below the tar line with that. Make sure it's staying straight. I like to do my first 3 or 4. And then I'll cut my overhang here. So you're gonna go, you're kind of going like almost a knuckle off of that. So that's all I'm doing out here. And same thing on this side. There's a nice clean corner. Then you can turn around and straddle the hip. Nail placement's not super important. It can be 2 here, here. We do 2. Some people will do 1. We like to do 2 just for extra precaution. But like I said, all that's important here is that your nails aren't overdriven or underdriven. Like that one, it's definitely not acceptable. And the reason that some of my nails aren't going all the way through is because it's going through the cap and then a double laminate on the shingle, and I have my nailer turned down a little bit. That way we're not blowing right through, because it's better to not blow through on cap. And once you continue this all the way to the top. Once you get to the very top, you go until your exposure on your cap fully hits the ridge. Boom, boom. It's going to be covered. You're going to put your nails along the ridge. Nails here because this cap's going to come up and cover it. And just cut it to the point of where these intersect. And cut it off. And then your one underneath will go off too. And there you go. And then you'll follow up your other hip like so. And then you'll transition into your ridge. So that's a whole different video. If you guys like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember guys, you don't have to be the best. It's alright to be average.